topic is consumer behavior. More than a century ago, the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, had made a visionary and deep meaningful statement at Johannesburg, South Africa at 1890. A customer is the most important visitor on our premises. He is not depending on us, we are dependent on him. He is not an interruption on our work, he is the purpose of it and not an outsider on our premises. He is a part of it. We are not doing a favor by serving him. He is doing us a favor by giving us an opportunity to do so. Though this statement was not made in a marketing concept, there is a lot of wisdom and insight into Mahatma Gandhi's words. Behavior is the interaction and the ambient surrounding environment inherent in the living creatures and mediated by the external and internal activeness. Thus, customer behavior is actions of consumers in marketplace and underlying motives for those actions. Marketers expect that by understanding what causes consumers to buy particular goods and services, they will be able to determine which products are needed in the marketplace, which are obsolete, and how best to present those goods to the consumer. Institutional and individual behavior. Consumer markets and consumer buying behavior. Buying behavior is the decision process and acts of people involved in buying and using products. Consumer buying behavior refers to the buying behavior of ultimate consumers, those who purchase products for personal use and not for the business purposes. Understanding buying behavior requires knowledge of consumption process and consumers' perception of product utility. Situations affecting the individual or industrial behavior, we consider it to be crucial to be described the essential circumstances that influence the buyer behavior, and thereafter we will continue with the describing other relevant factors. Based on these assumptions, the author studies different buying situations and present these situations in three main categories, so-called as buy classes. Buying roles and behavior. The roles are every person occupies a position with groups, organizations, and institutions. A role is a set of actions and activities an individual in a particular position is supposed to perform based on the expectations of both the individual and surrounding persons. Next is family influences. An individual family roles directly influence their buying behavior. Consumer socialization is the process through which person acquires the knowledge and skills to the function as a consumer. The extent to which different family members take part in family decision-making varies between families and product categories. Third one is reference group. A reference group is any group, large or small, that positively or negatively affects a person's value, attitudes, and behaviors. These are three major types of reference group membership: aspirational and dissociative.